Look at that. Cheers. That's really good. Hi guys, my name is Kirsten and welcome back to K&KFun World. Today we are making a no dye, no preservatives, no sugar, healthy juice for kids. And the juicer I am using is the Kuvings juice maker. And the ingredients I am using is some apples, 1 lemon, pineapples, carrots, and some celery. Now let's get started. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe, and make sure you comment down what ideas and videos you have so we can post. And then make sure you share with your friends, family, and everyone you know so they can watch our video. Now let's get started. Now we're going to turn this Kuvings on. Everything now is pre-washed so we can just get started. Now let's get started. We're going to start with our apples. I'm going to add a little pineapple to it. Some carrots. This is also if you press down, if it's not going to go down. Like if it's not going to go down, you can just push it in. And now since the Kuvings, there's in the juice, if it gets too full, we're going to open the slot and all the juice is going to come out. Look at that goodness. Now we're going to close it back. Now we'll go right back to it. And add some celery. Since it's full, now we're just going to open it back. And if you forgot already, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe, and make sure you comment down what ideas you have for our videos we're going to be posting. And make sure to send with your friends, family, and everyone you know so they can watch our videos. Now since it's full, now we're just going to open it. And you're going to repeat the process until you're finished with all of them. Now it's all full. Now I'm going to open it. And now it's all done. Now you don't need to go to the store and buy you all those juices that have all those ingredients you can't even pronounce. This is just a healthy, simple juice for you. Look at that. Cheers. That's really good. And before we end this video, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe, and make sure you comment down below what video ideas you have for us to post. And make sure you share with your friends, family, and everyone you know so they can watch our videos. Bye! See you in the next video!